Tutorial 3, Creating a New Contact and Confirming the Contact List. In this tutorial, you will be shown the following: how to add a contact in the Contact and User Management System, and how to confirm the contact list. Log into your online services account. Once logged in, click on the Contacts menu item. From the main Contacts and User Management screen, click the Add Contact button. On the following screen, enter the contact's name and click Save this section. This will now allow you to enter the contact's address, primary phone number, and email address. When entering in the address, begin with the postal code and click the Go button. With the address and contact information complete, click Save this section. With the contact saved, the system will now allow you to add contact roles. To add contact roles, click Edit this section at the top right of the Specify Roles for Contact. To add a new contact role for this contact, select a role from the drop-down and enter the effective date of the role. With the effective date entered, click Add Role. The new role will be added to the list of contact roles for this contact. If you made a mistake and added an incorrect role, you can click the Remove this role button prior to saving. With the contact roles correct, click Save this section. To create a new user ID for this contact, click Edit this section at the top right of the User Details section. Then click the Create System User button. The system will generate a user ID and temporary password. When creating a new user, remember to provide the contact with their new user ID and temporary password. The temporary password will remain in the User Details section until the user has logged in for the first time and changed it. Once they have changed their password, the temporary password field will be blank. With your user ID created, the system will now allow you to add user roles. To add a new user role, click Edit this section at the top right of Specify User Roles. To add a new user role for this contact, select a role from the drop-down and enter the effective date. With the effective date entered, click Add Role. The new role will be added to the list of user roles for this contact. If you made a mistake and added an incorrect role, you can click the Remove this role button prior to saving. With all the user roles correct, click Save this section. Once you have completed adding the contact's information, click Done at the bottom of the page to be returned to the main Contacts and User Management screen. When adding new contacts, depending on the type of contact roles added, you may have to confirm the contact list. The contact list can only be confirmed by a user assigned with the signing authority role. To confirm the contact list, click the View Confirm button at the top of the page. A list of contacts will be displayed. After reviewing the list for accuracy, click Confirm this contact list at the bottom of the page. The contact list status should now be displayed as confirmed. Toronto Children's Services require the contact list to be confirmed at least once a year, and a list must be confirmed before a budget can be submitted. From this screen, you can either log out of online services or return to the online service main page by selecting the appropriate item from the menu. This completes the tutorial.